Hello, this is a short video to describe and explain how editing some existing lists in the system can save some frustrations and save you a bit of time and effort. I'm going to concentrate on business intelligence and reports. The first one I want to look at is business intelligence itself, and as a user of the system and an ex-marketeer, I always got frustrated in that the object list would be defaulted to admissions, and it was only after I'd gone so far in creating the query itself that I'd realised actually I wanted it in a customer object. So I'd forgotten to choose the customer's object list from this list. So as I say, this is a list attached to this field, which is available in general configuration and lists. Let's search for that particular list, which I'm going to use BUS and a percentage mark, and I get, when I click search, my business intelligence objects. When I click into there and load my entries, here is the list that is appearing in the business intelligence report section, and here's my customer, my TS customer CO, and I'm going to put the value of number 10 into that field. I can click apply to the changes, and I get my pop-up confirmation to say that it's been updated. So that's all I need to do. I can then come back into business intelligence reports. Remember, I need to refresh the page, so I'm going to reload, and two things will happen. Firstly, the object list here has changed, so that customers is at the top of the list. That's for searching for existing BI queries. And secondly, the customer object list now is defaulted to customers. As always, I can go and choose another object list if I want to, but crucially the customers is the default offering, and that's the first one that I can choose. That is a global setting. You cannot change it for the order for different groups of people. The second option I want to show you is about generated reports, and I'm going to use in this example the performance availability. So I'm going to set my criteria, and then when I come to my save report as, I'm going to save this as AV Connect, and I'm going to give it access mode of public, and this field here, so I want to put this into AV Connect folder. So I'm just typing in manually there to save it into that particular place, and there's my report created. So this saved report section, when I'm searching for saved reports, has a folder field, and I can choose AV Connect, and when I click search, it will only show me the reports that are available in that folder. Now, folders are useful for application security to particular groups, because I can filter reports down to particular groups of people. So for a marketing department, saving all the reports in the marketing folder means I can set that attribute to that marketing group so that they only see the reports within that folder. But that report folder at the moment is down to me to type in the folder that I want. So if I misspell the word connect, there's going to be a mismatch in criteria there, so I need to be a little bit more uniform about this. So I'm going to come back to my general configuration. I'm going to search for a different list. I'm just going to put the word folder in, and then I get two lists available to me. Folders list is a system list which can't be edited, but we do have a report folders list, which is a user list. So we click on there to load it and come to my entries tab. By default this is blank, which is why it's a free flow text box on the report section. But I can add some entries into here very easily, so I'm just going to add two entries. I'm going to put my name in there, and I'm also going to put AV Connect as both my key and my English and my label. Clicking apply there to update that list. And let's come back into business intelligence and reports. Again, let's just refresh this page. I'm going to come to saved reports. I'm going to move that out. Let's load this report here, and you can now see that when I'm saving that, or this existing one, it's given me a drop-down list of the two available folders that I have. Coming back into generated reports, here's my blank performance availability. Let's just go through this again. Clicking apply, there's my criteria set, and you'll notice here that I've got the options to uniformly assign a folder to each of the reports that I want.